Have you ever heard of a hard start kit for your air conditioner? Let me tell you why it's a game changer. A hard start kit is like a power boost for your AC. When your AC starts up, it needs a lot of energy. The hard start kit gives it that extra push so it doesn't have to work as hard. This means that your AC starts faster and is more efficient. Now, why is it important? First off, it's great for your AC's health. It makes it easier for your AC to start, which means less wear and tear on your AC compressor, which can help it last longer. But there's more. Because your AC uses less energy to start, you see a drop in your electricity bill. Over time, this can add to a significant savings. It's like getting a small discount every time you turn your AC on. A hard start kit helps your AC start easily. It extends lives and saves you money on energy costs. It is a small addition with big benefits. Stay cool and take care.